All right, this is a plan for FCX. This is a power trigger trade shy idea. He brought this to my attention. So this big possible win is a double team play. So here you see Sandro power trigger trade, me, and then Shia power trigger trade. All right, people. So let's get to this. FCX is set up to test $19 to $21 a share. Right. This is an interesting thing. But we need to see the power. The February 17, 15, or 16 calls could be used for 100% to 300% possible gains, people. All right. So FCX needs to break above 1530 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 3 million on a 10-minute chart. If the volume is not there, is less than that, then now before I talk about that, let's go take a look at the options, and then we'll come back and talk about this. Give me a second here. All right, so here we're at the Yahoo Finance board, looking at the price of the options for FCX. This is the January the 6th, the 1490 close. And so here's the interesting thing: as you can see, lots of volume and action in the 16 calls here. They're trading at 66 to 69 cents. They could trigger out, if you take these, they probably could trigger around 80 cents to 90 cents, right? And this turning $3 a piece, probably, or more or higher, is probably very possible. Like this stock here moves. So you can see there was a lot of options traded here today. Right? It's really hot. So this is a very great. It doesn't matter now if you want to take the 15s, you can, even though they didn't trade as well. There's lots of options traded. So these are pretty hot. These calls, these 15 to $16 calls, right? And again, it doesn't matter what kind of account size you have. Small accounts, I mean, look at people. If someone wanted to buy 2 options, right, you could buy 2 options for $200, right? Just for example, right? All right. That's if less than 200, I can say. So 3 for less than $500, we'll say. 3 options for, or 4 options for less than $500, we'll say, or whatever, 550. Okay. On trigger confirmation. Okay, wait for the confirmation to get better prices. So confirmation is key. So let's talk about that now. So this could be a really good play. I looked at this very carefully, studied this very carefully. What this what FCX lacks is momentum and power. We are, this is kind of a stock that as soon as we start to show the power, it could start moving. These February 17 calls give this time because this is set up in a way where it's very, very, these targets are very reasonable, and how fast we get there could gain us, in between 100 to 300%. So we get there fast enough, 300% is possible. But between 100, 200% should be easy. So this FCX, pay attention to this guy because this stock can make you some nice gains. Confirmation is key. Now, if we don't break off, if we don't get the volume, we probably want to watch this base above 1530 and look for a power break of 1580 to $16 a share. Okay. So what could happen if this base is above one day? I'm giving you a scenario. I might give an update, okay? But I want to explain that if we don't get the volume at 1530 for entry, or as we bust 1530, then what we can do is watch for basic 1530 and then look for power towards 1580 to $16 a share. A $3 move is going to be a $4 move for this stock isn't easy. I mean, if you look at the history of the stock, it didn't take very long from this point to this point, and then this whole move here to here is a huge move. $11, okay, $11, and that's a 5-point move for this in a matter of a couple of weeks, which is huge gains for a stock like this. Huge gains in options, and you know what? These 19 to $21 a share based on the history and a lot of things about the stock that I looked at, it's not unreasonable. Anyways, if you like these plans, I make a lot of great other plans. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. What you're going to see is the Sandro Power Target Trade. You're going to see a circle appear, just like that around here. You click on that, and you automatically subscribe to Power Target Trades. And if you want to see a really great video of how good I am with options and timing, with weekly options, by the way, click on this link here. Brings you to my website, Power Target Trades. Let me show you this here. So we'll click on this link here, and it brings you to Power Target Trades. Look at that great animation background here. Isn't that nice, people? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so anyways, here's the video that I want you to see. This video here documents, just like I explained, the options of the entry and the exit. At Google, 300% gains in 3 days. That's with weekly options, okay? And 200% gains in Apple in 4 days. Now, that was with monthly options. Those were the January 20th, okay? But this is documented, and it's a video, great video to see. If you learn more about me, if you're new, right? If you found found this, you listened to this plan, you struck gold. So anyways, yeah, follow my channel, study my videos, study. Witness the power. I'm also on, stock Twitter as well. See, here's all the link, all the information. If you open your eyes, it's right there, people. I'm also on stock Twits as well, Power Target Trade. Okay, so there you have, people. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for listening. Like the video.